everyone, it's Kelly Klapstein here, and I'm going to show you how to make this really pretty hand-lettered Christmas card. So here are your supplies you need. I have the new Kelly Creates Dream Pens, and I'm going to use the pink and the light green, mint green, and this is the petal and the stream. Okay, then I have some cardstock that I use. It's Bazzill cardstock. It's really pretty. You can put the card base on any type of cardstock, but I really like this. I also have some ribbon. I drew the circle with, if you can believe it, I just use a jar ring. I have adhesive, and I have also my cardstock. So this is best for this kind of a project to use the Be Inspired Silky Smooth cardstock because it's really nice and smooth for your brush pens. And we have white, black, and craft. So you could use the white as this. And what I did to practice on, and actually I just use this on this card, is my blank white paper. It's the Kelly Creates practice pad that is blank, and it's super smooth paper, so it will work nice for cards, but it's very lightweight compared to the cardstock. So I do recommend the cardstock as your final project. So how did I go about doing this? I will show you. I basically just took this piece of white paper. So you could practice on white paper or any kind of smooth paper. I took my jar ring and the Dream Pen in Stream. So I'm using the larger tip, and I am going to just draw. Actually, I'll just show you what I'm going to draw. 1, 2, 3 lines around. So when I do a wreath, to make it more kind of organic looking, you can do one solid line. I kind of like to do 3 lines. It just, to me, in terms of design, it just is more appealing. And I leave a little bit of a space between. Oh, that kind of messed up. And right here. Okay. So just ignore that. And then what I did, it's a very, very simple technique to create these leaves, is I simply hold the brush pen high on the barrel like this, and then I'm just gonna turn this way. You turn your paper as you're doing this. I push down like this the whole side of the pen to create that leaf, and then I just do that all the way along. Now I push down, and I lift straight up. So remember, the brush tip pens are flexible, so you can not damage them, but if you don't lift straight up, your leaf won't have a nice point, just like that one there. And then you do this all the way around. Now I'm going to take the petal pen, and I am going to add some berries. You could use either tip. I'm using the small tip. And you can add the berries going all the way around, just in random areas. Now we are going to add some words. Now I'm going to use my brush script, and what I would do is I would practice on another piece of paper, and then I would work on my final copy. But I know if some of you are worried about your brush script being good enough, then you can just simply use a nice Christmas stamp, and maybe you'll feel more confident. So I'll just write merry and bright. Now I'm going to add this stone gray. I want to keep the tones quite light in this, and I could put an ampersand, or I could write the word and. I have another sample here with the ampersand, so you can decide which one you like better and then adjust your design accordingly. But I'll just write and just because I have that nice space there. And there you have it. Now what I would do is I will cut the cardstock and create the card and as the card base and cut this off and adhere it, and that's all you have to do to create this really simple, beautiful wreath card. Thanks for watching.